What's up? Just figured I'd give an update. It's been a while. I've done some shit. Got other stuff coming in. As far as I don't know. I just checked back on the last thing I uploaded. I had gotten a straight stone hone for cleaning up the crap that was in my cylinder walls from painting everything. I actually went and got a ball hone and just didn't take much. Put it on the drill, low speed. Had my girlfriend helping me with it. She was spraying mineral spirits the whole time that the ball hone was in the cylinder, so everything stayed nice and lubed and washed out. So yeah, got a ball hone. It's like maybe 2 to 3 passes between any cylinder and all the crap was cleaned off. So that went really well. Got the piston rings gapped and put on. Obviously pistons put on. Got single piece oil pan gasket, ARP oil pan bolts, painted the oil pan. Kind of got in a rush, and it's not the best paint job in the oil pan, but I'm fine with it for now. We'll see what happens in the future. We got camshaft put in. It is a Gen 6 camshaft. It's just a Chevrolet Performance cam. Nothing too crazy or special, but I still did go ahead and get a adjustable timing set just because I am trying to get a lower RPM power band out of this engine, given it's going in such a large truck with a cast iron 5-speed manual transmission, the new Venture 4500. Thing is, this block, I kind of got lucky. Actually had the provisions for the retainer plate. Behind here you can see the screws, and I have those Loctited in, I think blue Loctite. I might put red, I don't remember. My cam bolts are not locked down yet simply because I haven't degreed the cam. I do think it's gonna be exactly where I need it to be as far as intake center line, given it's a Mark IV stock crank and is a Gen 6 stock cam. But either way, I still went and got a Clay Smith Cams cam degree kit just because I want to be peace of mind to go ahead and measure it, learn how to measure it, and just be absolutely sure. And then I'll do some research on if I need to advance or retard the camshaft timing to lower the RPM range of my power band, or maybe I'll just run it stock at 0 degree cam timing and see how I like that. Either way, it's just a front cover. I'm going to be running electric water pump. If I do decide to mess around with it, it won't be too bad, and I might even look into getting a 3-piece timing cover. Not sure on that yet though. But yeah, we got, what else is there an update on? Did also do some work on the bike, but that's not really what this content's for. I might do a separate video on that at some point. Lifters will be getting ordered next Friday, so that'll be nice. And then we can get valve springs and rocker arms. Oh, that's another thing. Did get push rod length checker. It's probably not the best one. We'll see how that works out. But yeah, just figured I'd give a little bit of an update here. It's been a while, and I have made some progress. Haven't cleaned up the garage like I need to yet, but anyway.